Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is deondralavon. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm just going to give you guys a live school update. I haven't really done that in a while, so I thought I would come and just chit chat with y'all a little bit. Alright, so we're going to start off with school. So for those of you that do not know, I am pursuing my master's in clinical mental health counseling for adolescents and children. And y'all, it is just going so great. I'm doing the online program at GCU, and I've already been on this master's journey for over a year now. Like, it's so crazy. The time is flying. But I am doubling up my classes. I've been doubling up my classes pretty much ever since I started the program. And so my progression through the program is a lot faster than other people. And so I really only have 9 classes left. Like, I will be done with all of my classes in April. I'm so excited. After I finish the classes, I'll be able to do the internship, the practicum, all that. So I'm just really ready to get there. I feel like it's going really well. I'm learning a lot and it's just great. So since the last time that I updated you guys, which I think was at my 6-month update, so I have been accepted into 2 honor societies so far. The first one was Epsilon, and then the second one was Alpha Chi. I think for Epsilon you have to have a 3.5 GPA or higher, and then for Alpha Chi you have to be in the top 10% of your class. And so I'm just super honored that I was able to be accepted into these honor societies. I'm looking forward to seeing what kind of opportunities they offer and those sorts of things. And of course, getting my graduation cords and all that. I'm excited. So next in my life is the boyfriend. So me and Zach are going strong. Everything's good. I know I haven't brought him on my channel in a little bit. I'm gonna have to get him on here to do something. I don't know. If y'all have an idea, a boyfriend idea for a video, let me know, because I will definitely bring him on here. But yeah, the love life is great. So another thing that I'm really excited about is I am now a Shapermint partner. Shapermint is a shapewear brand. They have things like bras, shorts, leggings, just a lot of different types of shapewear. And they really celebrate self-love and body positivity. And I actually did my first post for them on, wait, what's this, yesterday? Let me think. It was Wednesday, August 10th, because today is the 12th, yeah. So it was Wednesday, August 10th. It was National Shapewear Day, and I did my first post for them as an official Shapermint partner. So if you guys want to support me and you want to try out some of these Shapermint clothes, you can use my code DeondraCrew20 and it will save you some money at checkout. And of course, I'm still working with my hair brands like Uncle Funky's Daughter, Khalida Naturals, etc, etc. So I will link all of those down in my description box as well if you want to support me in that way. My code for all of my hair stuff is deondralavon. So for a purchasing update, I am getting ready to buy the new MacBook Air M2, and y'all, I'm so excited. So I've had my current MacBook since like I first started like med school, I think. So it's been a while, and I actually have my MacBook right here. I still love this MacBook Air. I love that it's pink. Like, this is still really special to me, but it's time. It's time. This computer is slowly but surely starting to crash out on me. The trackpad doesn't work right all the time. Like, my memory is pretty much full, so it's just time for me to do an upgrade. And when I did my video on the iPhone 13 Plus, I got so many views and comments on that, and I actually had one girl who said that she just loves seeing black girls in tech and she can't wait to see me do another video. So I was like, since I'm thinking about buying a MacBook Air M2 anyway, I can do an unboxing video of that and kind of show you guys how it works. I can compare it to my current MacBook Air, and I think it's just going to be a nice video. So make sure that you subscribe, turn on my post notifications so that you don't miss that video. Alright, so YouTube. Alright, so y'all, we are almost at 800 subscribers and I am just so blessed and happy. I've been on this YouTube journey for a few years, but I really started taking it seriously like this year. I started posting videos every single week. All of that started this year. I really wasn't doing that previously. Like when I first started YouTube, I kind of just posted videos whenever I felt like it, which would be like once a month. And my channel was just growing really slowly. But ever since I started posting more consistently and I started getting more serious about my content, and also I started to branch out my content more, my channel has been growing faster. So as y'all probably know, this is primarily a natural hair channel, and natural hair is still my passion. Natural hair is still my #1 type of content that I will probably be making, but I'm not going to just put myself in the natural hair girl box. There's so many other things that I'm interested in, and so I just feel like it makes more sense for me to just branch out. And that's what I've been doing. I've been doing more lifestyle content. I've been doing more vlogs, like vacation vlogs, vlogs with my boyfriend, things like that, because I know that y'all want to get to know me. Like y'all want to see what my life entails, and I'm more than just my natural hair, which is why I'm here today giving y'all this life update and just inviting y'all to come along with me on this journey, this school journey, this hair journey, this inspo influencer journey, whatever you want to call it. And I just want to inspire all of you and show y'all that you don't have to put yourself in a box. Like, I know a lot of people think like, okay, all she is an influencer that posts pictures or videos of her hair on Instagram. Then I'll post like, no, I'm in school too. I'm trying to be a mental health counselor. And it just shows that women are multifaceted. We don't have to put ourselves into one specific category or one specific lane, because it is limiting. And although I love doing my hair, I love showing you guys how I do my hair, I know that there are only so many twist outs or braid outs or wash and goes that y'all want to see from me. And that is why I am showing you more. I'm getting more into tech content. I've been showing y'all more fashion type content with my Shein hauls. Just more things that I feel like women my age are interested in. And that's why I call y'all my clique, because I feel like we have something in common if you enjoy watching my videos. And I want to continue to make content that's going to be interesting for y'all and content that y'all can relate to. And I'm just so excited to continue to build this community, and I appreciate all of y'all for the support. I will be back not too long from now with another update. I know this one was kind of like late, like my last one was a whole like 7-8 months ago, but I'm going to update y'all more. Sorry guys, I just get a little bit sidetracked with everything that I have going on in my life, but I do want to make sure that I keep y'all updated with everything that's going on. Alright y'all, so I think that is it. Try to keep this video short and sweet. So make sure you give this video a like if you enjoyed it. And if you have not already done so, then make sure that you join the clique by hitting that subscribe button. We are almost at 1,000 subbies. Like, I can't even believe I'm saying that, but I'm really excited. We should be there not too long from now. So you joining the family would just mean so much to me. And one last thing, y'all, I'm trying to decide whether or not I'm going to keep my videos on Fridays or if I'm going to change it to Saturdays, because I always say see y'all next Friday in my next video, but sometimes my weeks get a little bit crazy. I have a lot going on, and sometimes the videos end up getting posted on Saturday. So I'm trying to kind of figure out what I want to do. So if y'all could comment down below if y'all think I should keep doing Friday videos or switch to Saturdays. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all next Friday or Saturday in my next video. Bye.